Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Go sit on the top for you while I'm at town. Not the grace. I've been a who they call DNA, CNN, all those local champions, dead among the livings. What's it been a problem?
You are dead. Emonubiel are dead.
Take care of themselves. That cannot even construct a simple sentence. Coming to command my own Godfather. God punish all of una.
Punish you right now.
Precious man,
okay, where precious man go there?
Which of una among the presenters who manage get husband, get happy home like everywhere at home? Which?
If you get happy home, Naomi gets. No matter how I get. You say I don't fit train I don't fit talk to my wife. He carry pikin run, not be he carry pikin run. I dey tell you now. You say person wey never fit go Nigeria. Ask people wey know me. I get paper under 1 year. I go Nigeria 3 times. Before my paper get problem, I go Nigeria almost 6 times. Now me go Nigeria, go do my pikin paper before I come Europe. Before I come do DNA for Europe again. Where do you know? You will make big like man so. You know person. No way they toast yourself now that man. You too local for woman. You too local for woman as a woman where you say you be. When I see from room to room here, no Walekia no. Papa Wala will feed your generation. If you feed your generation, I'm saying to the world today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If he has money for himself. And if you only want God for you, now because now Papa Wala you can't insult me, but you are Papa Wala, that's why I go to give you now. I go to give you now. Anyone want from you today, precious man, or go precious man. Anyone want for you. If I insult you, I go to insult Papa Wala Jonah. You're a coward. You took your land more than me. If you know they worship money, I know the best way they worship money, precious man. I'm gonna go call and come. Do you think I'm a coward? Do you think I'm a static illiterate? I want to do what will make my people too happy. You're a nuisance. Presenting yourself in live video, you talk verbally. You say you be woman. Person like me, as me being illiterate, I don't fit toast you. You are a coward. You will be boo. You will be Goliath. Say that one way wife carry pikin or we don't fit train pikin. You know, yesterday my first son, I cannot come for Nigeria. Now university go for this country. You don't spend money for pikin we go university instead of you take off your wife. Because any woman wey don't do a shower, they know they marry one man. Now so my papa tell me. Shawo, every time I will be a man agumobo. Ashawo kwana. Gaba shawo no rewebo. Wa doge mono dog ba shawo rewebo awu no gi.
Yes, so my beautiful people, now welcome back again to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. I know what's in there, and so matter where they attend, and a Papa Wala matter. Waiting Papa Wala matter no go cause on social media, and I never see him. You get me? So this matter will be so we bring so now between Prophet Atiti and Precious Meg, you know, Mama P. You get me? So and this thing say not be matter we really both of them get against each other like say personally before, but now Papa Wala matter. You get me? So however, get waiting. Prophet Atiti talk about Papa Wala. I'm not going to say against it, but Papa Wala, you get me so. And then Papa Wala na godfather to Precious Meg. And Precious Meg not going to find out something interesting, not going to find out very funny. You get me? Now he can't use indirectly TikTok to, or what you would cause of blaming a TikTok to Prophet Atiti. Atiti they very literate now. they very literate now. Talk, I mean, I don't go twist him. That you know something where he goes school to some extent. You know what I mean? So maybe people not to say maybe the guy no. So you know when somebody using that they talk to him, we say, oh, you get me? You go, it come like say that Benin proverbs where say then they talk say nothing time my town you been amway. So Prophet Atiti not be like that now. You get me? Now Prophet Atiti can't carry this matter now. Turn it to Mama Pion. You get me? So now me can send this message where we say one cent now go give a precious make. Now that one did it, but make I know say we never even thank God for this program. We say we share it today. You get me? So no matter what thing, Baba God be everything. So now make we supposed to thank Him all the time because now they give us strength and understanding, knowledge and wisdom. We say we take the work hard. They not say only this program. We say on 2 days. Now we did that way they hear from us. When they hear so now see make on until they do everything we say now they do on a daily basis. I be now so it be. So we need to thank God all the time. Now so that one be. So we not say forget the channel we say now for the hear this thing. So this matter now ETA do tafia me. You get me? So and that one I here now for the watch and so and we talk about exactly as big. We're not the hard journal, we're not the common. So with all that one being said, as we don't talk about that one now, with all that being said, you know what I mean, with no further ado, make we just join Prophet Atiti as we want to start to reply to Precious Meg. My people not do well, eh? May Baba God continue to do bless you now with my family. Now forevermore. Not do well, eh? Now bye bye.
Go see on the top for everywhere la matter, not the grace. Eh? I've been who they call DNA, CNN, all those local champions, dead among the livings. What's it been a problem?
Rabbit was dead. Emonubiel not dead.
Take care of themselves. That cannot even construct a simple sentence. Coming to command my own Godfather. God punish all of una.
Punish you. Okay, precious man. Okay, where you precious man?
Which of una among the presenters will manage, get husband, get happy home like everywhere at home? Abi, which?
If you get happy home, Naomi gets. No matter what I get. You say I don't fit train I don't fit talk to my wife. He carry pikin run, not be he carry pikin run. I dey tell you now. You say person wey never fit go Nigeria. Ask people wey know me. I get paper under 1 year. I go Nigeria 3 times. Before my paper get problem, I go Nigeria almost 6 times. Now me go Nigeria, go do my pikin paper before I come Europe. Before I come do DNA for Europe again. What do you know? You will make big like man so. You not person. No way they toast yourself now. That man, you too local for woman. You too local for woman as a woman where you say you be. When I see a from room to room here, no Walekia no. I don't call Papa Wala, I don't call her one day. If it's Asa, me no call her one day. I know they call. If people went here now, all of them call me, but I know they call. Those people want feed, your generation want feed. If they feed your generation, not feed my generation. If Papa Wala they feed your generation, precious man, you know feed my generation. Ah, better be you buy. Ogo better be you. Jakame, no time again. Achawoda, achawodu wegi. No ga selele polele musiakia. Uwa wagbo menu wo wagbo ni. Wa ro wodo. You are not ashamed of yourself. You cannot make sentence. Sentence will kill you. Did I told you I go to school? Did I told you I go to school? I tell you I go from the village. I don't deny my words. Did I told you I go to school?
When they do something as my neighbor has right, but what do they analyze everywhere that matters on social media? Now they crazy.
Gonna share the video. That's why they say DNA, CNN. You know, say Asha what wanna do for Europe. Who no give a bama so corner. E kinu wa lake ya de gba mo gba e. E check what you can not like ya. Not to come and with yes sorry. Or what women no matter it. Ogun better precious man. Ogun money where you are. Oh. Make it care what like you out there be set. He get happy home now go fuck another my wife. Man when not get happy home now go the fuck for outside. I why correct you? Why letting you? You say you when they carry back from house to house. They find man when you want fuck. You be better woman. You don't get man for house. As you they talk for this or that video, so if they shout man when see you when they shout like this, no near you. You are a coward. I shower down. Woman precious man wait to tell the leak. When okay, go cut. Wabuwa, Awashawo. Every time I would be a German, I go more. Ashawo, Gawashawo, or Ewebo. Wadoge, Monodo, Bashawo, Ewebo, I will not give. Hundred of Una, only me one go fit. 100 of Una, only one go fit. I no call Papa Wala one day. Even he fresh when he call me, as at yesterday. When he call me as at yesterday. I no call her one day, I no dial the number. Only person when I call, I be shy you, I say me put quarter down. Plus when the woman, Angelina come talk to me for solo, now only 2 of their call. I no carry Papa Wala dial. Say I want dial the number one day. I did not do it. I'm a man of dignity. I don't sell my pride because of money. If you get your money, now your house you get. The time of my father, Igbenejo did there. Igbenejo be airport, build all of them. My papa build 6 rooms. Now that's rooms right for trainers. If you know they worship money, I know the best way they worship money, precious man. When I go call and come, do you think I'm a coward? Do you think I'm a static illiterate? I want to do what will make my people too happy. You are a nuisance. Presenting yourself in live video, you talk verbally. You say you be woman. Person like me, as me be illiterate, I don't fit toast you. You are a coward. You will be boo. You will be Goliath. Say that one way wife carry pikin or we don't fit trade pikin. You know, yesterday my first son, I come for Nigeria. Now university go for this country. You don't spend money for a pikin we go university instead of take off a wife. Because any woman wey don't do a shower, they know they marry one man. Now so my papa tell me. Anyone who don't do a shower, they know they marry one man. Now 2 man, 3 9 at the end. You don't see you now. At your age now, you say you be responsible woman, precious Meg. You don't get man for house. Now you drive your husband. Me buy ticket for my family. Mo go start better life for that country. All of you know as Spain be. Spain and Italy know as it be for the whole world. I buy ticket for a reason. I say, you see man winning. Like I go, wait till that one come in. Now you they feed them with the day here. Ask people when know me. Now me pay madam money. That's the Papa Wala know. Ask Papa Wala. Now me pay that woman madam money. Ask people when I call somebody. Papa Wala know this boy. Papa Wala know this boy when I want call so. Me call this person, man. You are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. I mean, we are. Ebola, call your match with me here. You know, if you know what tapa. Okay. Gonna when I are Madrid, when I are Madrid. Oh, not be many. o me ga no ya anwu na jo pada akoko me a waya weto ni ewe guan emmanuel me ya so akoli yan iso amuyan yo da agbo yan no kan ewe ege opale osu lo igbigbi no we ati president Megi no yo mo pe ani no se pole liku ki agba lo pe akia no wodo magua ola ati epogun era biye keki bi eno gwa gbe ya o ma wa so enia ikama last fight na wa la owo mi ma se ti kokomo we must to kokomo e mo te ticket no kwoni ya pare ke lori we ma change better life we ga pare so no we ere je me plus we ati plan la lunek no gwa so we want to take off my generation not anything. Owa won ma se ti de ticket ari Nigeria me hi unu pa me jogwa ake evili kesunu
anybody no eat anything no
we were team no there we don't team no there we were team no there we aka deport we are in Nigeria me na we bone we were team no there we don't go me gwa we we atama we na we ima we re bone since then una da no me we una go ka we na so agu we na do gu we gun e te pe we no there okay, le precious place di gune. Iye precious place di mami na che 1000 buy. O ti o ni me pino bien ni me. O ti 5 years la webo. Ala deport ina mo nwe la webo. Ina mo nwe no pe la webo. Ah, gbe pa precious place. Do you know me? Do you know me, precious man? I want to wala se tik ba o me. Precious baby ke ru wala de immediately we come no dey with here is it here I don't call people because of money work by precious baby you whatever I want no don't feel no can less here no say what I saw about CNN I want to make my people to be joking, make my people to be happy. Not that I don't know how to speak it. I want my people to be happy. I put joke in my profile. I know you put when they speak. Let me say let speak amo. I they put joke. Make my people they happy. What did I get? I have 6 rooms. If you don't power back, I own ye. Everyone I feed you, feed the generator where, or feed you with Donny. Now I get by when no give everywhere. I don't want you people. I think I can know. Everyone was any. You say me not service because now you boys they speak. You say me not service because you now you got to speak so. Because you get to where they smell. Here where Jim New York pa boo everywhere. Even I am boy, yeah, or I told you not Bamba boy, he always ya de gbeti we ba ini mara gwa no de ni ma wenu da we matu ni we ya ko ware matu ya ti ye me ba ni we ya ti me no de wo ma ka ma ko go we no ware my brother. Okay, ya Ebola ya ti we ba ni go okay. You can't live it because they run your mouth. If you know wala they feed you, he cannot feed me. If he has money for himself. Don't repeat that word again. I did not tell you to call me. I said I will call Papa Uwala. I did not say Uwala should call me. Go and watch all my video. The conversation that we make, me with people make when they say they get recording. When they say me the call, I say, hey, Bisugbe, call him. Now my right to call Papa Uwala, but I don't call. I say, Bisugbe, call him. When that one say he get record, so the record when he get, I want me to plan come out. Maybe what see what I talk for inside. Because now what I don't like, you know, when you come, when that woman call me, say, Prophet Atiti, Bisugbe want to talk to you. This how this is waiting for outside, so it's not good. When you come, when I call you, not tell me so you could record me any conversation what we do. When you don't finish, now you tell say record the day with you. I beg, not be record the way me they do the thing. I want me you come plan. If you be picking with the turtle. Anybody when he set recording, you say you record there with anybody when set recording, you know say now he set recording, wait you go favor and I go talk. Now wait you go favor and I go talk like that they not bad person. If you want to do conversation now, we do conversation. Conversation what we do, not to repair Benin people, not to make Benin people settle, not to make everywhere calm. For instance, that conversation, person when he talk, he say now waiting into the chop. No be he talking for that conversation, they see they talking for outside. That will not be bad thing. But not to correct them. Any person, anything where person they do for life, you know they do and when not to correct them. If you not put on a mind that we do this thing, anybody where they misbehave before, where they chop money for live video, where they do anything, now to correct and not be so that they behave, not be to come play the video, when I take convert, you come they tell the word say, now they say they chop. You are a good presenter, huh? Because you don't know say you record that waiting to favor you for throughout this conversation, now you go to talk for inside. So my people, I beg you. If Bisugbe may come play the video, come out, make people listen to the video. Forget where anything. Because I know the green person record me, I know the record person. I know the green make person record me, I know the record person. I dey tell you I always say I know be presenter. I dey tell you always. As you talk, I see video where you do yesterday. The video where you see yesterday, I see him. Come play the record, you don't let her to take. Come and play the recording. Make the world see what I talk for inside. That woman, I don't feel wrong for her tete. I block her. That woman, you know the woman, I don't feel wrong for her tete. Now she can draw me put for you. You know, say people tell me as person be. If I don't hear the person, I don't feel conclude. The day when you talk, I say the conversation day with you. I shock. Now that day, I start to find I want to draw body from your body. So, if Bisugbe, I don't curse you. I never curse you. Now only you want to tell me say you curse my pikin and we make settlement. Put. We just settle. But this record, when it day with you, I want to make a plan to the world. Any party when I talk for inside, make the world see him. So, I dey tell presenters, any presenter, when you say you want to call me for WhatsApp, I block you. If I want to greet you, I greet you. Anytime when I give video, your matter dey for my mind. I go from here and tell you, say, my brother, our pikin, our family, God will bless you. Say you be presenter. Maybe you, where we do all of the presenter, where we don't pass together, where we don't talk together. I don't feel leave your phone. I go must block you for inside my phone. I don't see and say no una not get help. Few not get help. The rest they be destroyer. How to destroy man, how to destroy woman, I the day. I did not talk to you, Precious Meg. Say I cannot make a sentence. I did not tell you I'm a graduate to start with. When I come to this live video, I did not tell you I'm a graduate. I told you I'm illiterate, that graduate, that know the right from the left. Who are you? Who show you boy you say they speak now? Who show you boy you say they speak Precious Meg? When I bring and come out, when they listen to the Oyibo way they speak, we saying they speak Oyibo so when I bring and saying they speak Oyibo, saying they speak Oyibo.
Enough is enough. My coming back will not be nice. So this is the warning and the message. I've been at people where that the rock up. When.
Precious Meg, I'm telling you, I've spent 22 years in Europe today, and I achieved something in Europe. I'm spending 22 years in Europe, and I achieved something in Europe. Don't look the way I present myself to public. I want my people to be happy. That's why if I'm doing my live video, I used to put joke. Miss Precious Meg, I bet you cannot write a sentence more than me. I bet you. If she allow me the buy ticket for me and you, they made the drop note for me and you. You are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. You are a coward. Chachawo come and wait till the leak. I go to pet you if you try me. I go pet you. Go reach your family for us. I did not talk to you. If I say CNN, it's not your business. I want my people to laugh. DNA. If I say CNN, I know how to talk it. I know how to speak it. I know how to talk it the truth. But I want if I'm doing video, I want people, many people are depressed inside the house. I want them to be happy. That's why I put a joke inside. If you define me, Papa Wala, fuck you. Godfather, the day, fuck you now. Now, Godfather, the day, fuck you now. Godfather, my Godfather, before you know, go, oh. If you define me, fuck you, now you all be that. If you feed your generation, I'm telling the world today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If you get the money, now you have to get money. If you go, I see on my yiko. If Benin don't take for inside Benin, my papa be 6 rooms. That's 6 rooms now for trainers. If you people worship money, I don't worship money. I stand by the truth and set me free. If you say more analyze this matter, before I analyze that for 3 months, we'll see the end. If you don't know me, may you know me. And if you reply me again, I'll come back on and analyze this matter. Waiting we'll see for this matter. We'll see before 3 months whether we'll not see if I analyze this matter. Whether we'll not go all as with the all on bed. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. If you want me to analyze this, Papa, what that matter, we analyze this. I will start it again. I will offer my phone. Every day I will begin to analyze it. If you don't know how to talk, better learn how to talk. You see your character, all this one I make my run live now. Your character presenting yourself in life, you talk anyhow verbally. Who's man go see you now? Now to come fuck, he go come out. Now to come kele wawa, now you go come, you go come out. You are not a responsible woman. Then they work, now they take responsible. Ashawo they support Ashawo. Ashawo will go for outside. Ashawo they support her because at the 10 men, they don't tie many of our spirit. They don't dull on our spirit. We don't know if they behave as a man again. all those Benin women, some of them for inside, they don't wake on spirit. They're not active as a man again. Now me they see the talk any woman when una know say your husband drive. Say, I don't need you again, now when you be, now also you be. I go carry put for us. The one way there for husband house, I don't feel fucking for a matrimonial room. The one way husband abandon, he go tell me the real truth. I go see us information. The one way husband abandon, he carry. The one way husband drive. If you're the driver for this domot now, they cannot enter his house. Instantly, they plug on. I go, your plug on because your husband don't drive you. Now me can't get you. Now me can't get you. If you people are talking, you should learn how to talk to people. Not people like us. One word of your mouth, I can analyze it to be thousands. So I can't tell you this morning, if Papa Wala they feed your generation, I'm saying to the world, Papa Wala cannot feed me and feed my generation. Any work when I do work is my occupation. It's my living end. I don't worship people that have money. I don't worship them. That's why they say all things cannot be equal. I don't call her one day Precious Meg. I don't call Papa Wala. The conversation what we do, as we take the first the conversation where a business will say record the day with another. Business will not tell me say you want to record me when we start the conversation. I will take position people. You say believe say I will try, I will fit try. If me with a join together, I will try. I don't know say the record me. You will record me. Where would they do conversation? You don't know say they put up for conversation, they put up for recording. Now the side way go favor you, now you go do. Now the side way go favor you, now you go dog go. But make they come play my home. Make people know. Person when they talk truth, make they come play my home. Make people see ya. If I talk anything bad thing, now then people know say I not be better person. But what you have me at the first for? Person not the record me, I not the record person. Now what are they forbid? See that one way wife run leave. What do me do for that woman? What do me do for that woman? Man, what you born for not doing for you. Even though now you born you marry, he not doing for you. And they take my the pride today. And they take on the pride. We not be man where they look woman money. Oh. What do we need? Me woman get respect. He go this sexy because me not sexy man. He go this sexy, he go this celebrate for me. Now I be with me and I go to take us arm back, they go anywhere they go. Now me and they look for. Not be saying a woman not see is dead Precious Meg. Women where they call me, if they call, say I don't answer them, they go stop by themselves. Women where they call me every day, what would they talk? They talk and go outside, they call me, I don't answer them, they go stop by themselves. If you get any woman waiting for a miss, I be one dragon, may come where me I did. I'll talk the words of wisdom for a brain. Before I spend 3 days, 4 days for the area, I feel that one feel can now rent hotel for her. Before I spend 3 days, 4 days, me with her the day for morning and evening, I talk words for a head. Maybe before I come out, it go change. One they go church, pastor go preach for now, I go change. Now so me I say be if that man at the trillion, maybe at the trillion, at the play while you ask go take come where I did. If he come, maybe if he can't reach us, we now see the changes where he go there for a body. Now we the do one. You are a coward. You come up for live video. No bath. Come on, lay one for her. That's why we wife wrong. We not fit train wife. Now me buy ticket for them. Now me go drop her for airport too. Now my car take go drop her for airport too. No be we enter taxi go airport. Let me go drop her for airport too. You cannot even sit down and reason what you want to say. Papa Wala will feed your generation. If you feed your generation, I'm saying to the world today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If he has money for himself. And if you only want word for you, now because now Papa Wala you can't insult me, but you and Papa Wala, that's why I go to give you now. I go to give you now. Anyone want from you to get precious men, or go what precious men. Anyone want for you. If I insult you, I go to insult Papa Wala now. Like coward. You took your learning more than me.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.